Students of class ninth, in the last class I gave you homework. What are the causes of French Revolution and what are the consequences of French Revolution? Today I am going to tell you what are the causes of French Revolution. Answer: the causes of French Revolution are as follows. Again I am going to tell you. Answer: the causes of French Revolution are as follows. Point number one. Point number one, King Louis XVI. You can write Roman number or 16 as you like. So King Louis Louis 16 imposed taxes upon common people. Again I am going to tell you. One, King Louis Louis 16 imposed taxes upon common people. He was deeply involved in their own luxuries. Point number two, at that time administration system was faulty. Different laws prevailed, prevailed, for different parts of the country. The rich classes people were treated differently than the poor class. Point number three, judicial system was corrupted. Judicial officers were openly sold and purchased. Point number four, the common man had to pay around 80% of their income in the form of taxes. They had miserable life. The king did not maintain any moral and thought, living highly extravagantly, extravagantly. Again I am going to tell you. Extravagantly. Now second question I gave you, consequences of French Revolution. Point number one, consequences means result. What is the meaning of consequences? Consequences means result, effect, impact of French Revolution. Point number one, monarchy was destructed. Monarchy was destructed after the French Revolution. Point number two, after the French Revolution, France became a secular country. Again I am going to tell you. Point number two, after the French Revolution, France became a secular country. Point number third, the main consequences of French Revolution was that national feeling increased among the people of France. Point number four, development of political freedom and social equality after the French Revolution. Point number fifth, after the French Revolution, a new economic system was built in France in place of old feudal system. Okay, so I told you two questions. I gave you homework. last class. Now I told you the question answers. Okay, now I am going to tell you today's. Now next question, write the long question. Describe the contribution of French philosophers in the French Revolution. Again I am going to tell you next question, today's question. I told you two questions. What was the causes of French Revolution and what are the causes and consequences of French Revolution? It was homework. I told you now. Now today's first question. Describe the contribution of French philosophers in the French Revolution. Montesquieu, number one, he was a great philosopher. Montesquieu dash. Montesquieu was a famous philosopher of his time. He wrote WROTE. He wrote the famous book. Inverted comma start. The Spirit of Laws. Inverted comma khatam. Which awakened the French society and created the atmosphere for revolution. His idea gave impetus, impetus, to the revolutionary sentiments. Number two, Voltaire, Voltaire, he attacked the vices prevailing in society and especially in the church. ESPECIALLY, especially the church. He told blind faith should be stopped. He told blind faith should be stopped. He instigated the people to demand reform. He told, inverted comma start, since we are all steeped, STEEPED, in errors and follies, we must forgive each other. Foolish means foolishness. I had already told you in the class, foolish means foolishness. Ratio. He wrote social contract. To give his idea for the common people. Again I am going to tell you ratio. He wrote social contract to give his idea for the common people. He told, comma, inverted comma start, man is born free but is everywhere in chains, inverted comma end. His speech and idea influenced, influenced, influenced the common people. Okay, now next long question. Describe the legacy of the French Revolution for the pupils of the world during the 19th and 20th centuries. Again I am going to tell you. Describe the next long question. Describe the legacy of the French Revolution for the pupils of the world during the 19th and 20th centuries. Answer. The French Revolution proved to be the most important event in the history of the world. I think whatever I am going to tell you the answer, you are understanding, you are reading in class 9, you can easily understand. Again I am going to tell you answer. The French Revolution proved to be the most important event in the history of the world. Point number one, the ideas of liberty and democratic rights were the most important legacy of the French Revolution. These ideas became inspiring force for the political movements in the world in the 19th and 20th centuries. Again, I am going to tell you point number one, the ideas of liberty and democratic rights were the most important legacy of the French Revolution. These THESC ideas became an inspiring force for the political movements in the world in the 19th and 20th centuries. Point number two, the French revolutionary ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity spread from France to the rest of Europe, where feudal systems were finally abolished. Point number three, colonized peoples reworked the idea of freedom from bondage into their movements to create a sovereign nation state. Point number four, the idea of nationalism that emerged emerged after the French Revolution started mass movements all over the world. Now, people began to question the absolute power. Point number five, the impact of the French Revolution could be seen on India too. Tipu Sultan and Raja Ram Mohan Roy got deeply influenced by the ideas of the revolution. So I told you now the question. Next question. Next long question. Would you agree with the view or opinion that the message of universal rights was beset with contradiction? Question mark, explain. Again, I am going to tell you. Would you agree with the view that the message of universal rights was beset with contradictions? Question mark, explain. Answer. Point number one, the message of universal rights was definitely beset with contradictions, full stop or comma, many ideals. If you have full stop, then it will be capital letter. So many ideas in the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen were not at all clear, full stop. They had dubious meanings. Point number two, the French Revolution could not bring economic equality, and it is a fact that unless there is economic equality, real equality cannot be received at any sphere. The Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen laid stress on equality, but a large section of the society was denied to it. The right to vote and elect their representatives did not solve the poor man's problem. Point number three, women were still regarded as passive citizens. They did not have any political rights, such as right to vote and hold political office like men. Hence, their struggle for equal political rights continued. Point number 4. France continued to hold and expand colonies. Thus, its image as a liberator could not last for a long time. Point number 5. Slavery existed in France till the first half of the 19th century. Again, I am going to tell you. Point number 5. Slavery existed in France till the first half of the 19th century. Next question, next long question. How would you explain the rise of Napoleon? Next question. How would you explain the rise of Napoleon? Answer. Point number 1. The political instability of the Directory paved the way for the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon had achieved glorious victories in wars. This made France realize that only a military dictator like Napoleon would restore a stable government. Point number 2. In 1804, he crowned himself as the Emperor of France. He set out to conquer neighboring European countries, disposing dynasties and creating kingdoms where he placed members of his family. Napoleon viewed himself as a modernizer of Europe. Full stop. He introduced many laws such as the protection of private property and a uniform system of weight and measures provided by the decimal system. But his rise did not last for a long time. He was finally defeated at Waterloo in 1815. Now I am going to tell you that Napoleon Bonaparte, just do not write the answer. Napoleon Bonaparte became the Emperor of France in 1804. Do not write it, just mind it very carefully. When Napoleon became the Emperor of France, Napoleon became the Emperor of France in 1804. He won 3 battles. How many battles he won? He won 3 battles in 1804. He won 3 battles, 1805, 1806 and 1807. So how many battles he won? 3 times. He won 3 battles, 1805, 1806 and 1807. He lost the Battle of Waterloo in 1815. He lost the Battle of Waterloo in 1815. Now, I just explained the consequences of French Revolution. I explained, do not, you have written, I think, just try to understand the consequences, result or impact of French Revolution. Okay, just consequence. What is the meaning of consequences? Consequences means result, impact, or effect. Just try to understand. I told you when I told the answer consequences of French Revolution. First, monarchy was destructed after the French Revolution. What is the meaning of monarchy? Do you know? If you do not know, try to understand what is the meaning of monarchy. Monarchy means rule by the king. So you can write after the French Revolution. You can write also by yourself, because you are reading in class 9. You can write by yourself. After the French Revolution, monarchy was destructed. First point. Second point, I told you, after the French Revolution, France became a secular country. After the French Revolution, France became a secular country. Do you know what is the meaning of secular country? Try to understand. Secular country means where all the people of that country are equally respected and the government of that country does not interfere in the religious matter. And all the citizens of in that country are equal according to law and according to constitution of the country. So after the French Revolution, France became a secular country. Point number 3, I told you the main consequences of French Revolution was that national feeling increased among the people of France. So it is very important point for this answer. The main consequences or result of French Revolution was that national feeling increased among the people of France. Who increased the national feeling of France? Who increased the national feeling among the people of France? Can you tell me? I am going to tell you. Do not write the answer. Those great philosophers of France, 3 philosophers, Montesquieu, Voltaire and Rousseau, were the great philosophers of France. They increased the national feeling of France. Point number 4, I told you the answer when I told you have. I think you had written the answer. Development of political freedom and social equality after the French Revolution. Development of political freedom and social equality after the French Revolution. After the French Revolution, social equality was increased in France. Before the French Revolution, do not write, just I am giving you. Before the French Revolution, so there was no equality in the French society, in France society. But after the French Revolution, so all the people in the society got equal chance and equal rights. Political freedom increased among the people of France. That was the consequences after the French Revolution. Point number 5. After the French Revolution, a new economic system was built in France in place of an old feudal system. Again, I am going to tell you, try to understand. After the French Revolution, a new economic system was built in France in place of an old feudal system. Now, I am going to tell you, do not write the answer, just try to understand. What do you mean by Napoleon Code? What do you mean by Napoleon Code? It is the extra question for you. Just you can write in your rough copy. You can try to understand what do you mean by Napoleon Code. Napoleon Code means Napoleon made a law in France. It is known as Napoleon Code. When Napoleon became the emperor of France, he made some laws. The first point, that feudal system was abolished. After the became emperor of of France, he abolished the feudal system from France. He made equal law among the people of France. First, political rights were given among the people of France. अभी एक पीरियड कर लेंगे, उसके बाद चले जाएंगे. स्टॉप.